The campus in Barcelona is a unique place. It's very familiar, so we all know each other, the students know each other. It's like being in your place away from home. And we have unique courses where they don't have anywhere else. I was talking about external project. We have all the other courses are hands-on with our professionals from the area or around the world, very passionate and eager to show and teach their expertise to the new generations. Yes, it's important because we realize nowadays it's not many schools are doing it, and it's basic for them to know the insights from the back of the stage, or at the back of the house we call it, and to work the way up by knowing how to do it, but also the practical part of it. We have master classes every Wednesday as well. We have renew people not only for the hotels or the tourism industry in general. Here we have students that stay in Barcelona and another internship through all these talks and networking they created throughout those visits.